We've got everyone's favourite magical item-eating F-boy. It's Kale Tudali. Next up, it's time to get a little bit wild in the forest. It's everyone's favourite big, beefy druid, Halcyon. Next up, speaking of people in the forest, it's Jahira, played by Tracy Lyle. With a heart so big, it will literally threaten to burn out of her chest. It's Carla. Next up, don't look her in the eyes, she'll get very upset. It's Lazel, played by everyone's most evil companion, it's Minthara, played by It's the voice that's literally inside your head, our narrator, Amelia Tyler. I'm definitely not biased, but it's the best girl, Shadowheart, Shadow Rainbow. And last, in only a way that the alphabet could decide, it is Will, played by Theo Solomon.
Thank you for setting that up so beautifully, because I can answer quite quickly. For those of you who don't know, I'm non-binary. And a bit like Tim, they just let us do what we wanted. I think it was very much cast on our instinct. There's no time to do that old school work where you really dig in and find the justification. It was one of those, if I was in that situation, how would I behave? And when you're that tall, and no one is squaring up to you, you know.
I'm an actor, but most importantly, I'm a critter. Yeah, man. This is nuts. You don't look so beautiful. Jeez. Enough about that. Alright, it's Willie Hunter. And last, but by no means least,
Okay, pick one. Present. I've only had the pleasure of actually meeting them in person at this con, which has been wonderful. They're all so great. I mean, I probably have to jump out on Amelia since she is such a fan already and has all this experience. Neil? Miss Mary? Neil be great too. They'd all be great. All of them. And if you haven't seen, they all had a chance to play recently with a dear friend of mine, Mark Humes of High Rollers, and it was so great. So shout out to Mark High Rollers and the whole crew. They did a wonderful job.
Should we maybe voice our favorite of our children? Any similar?
Yes, mine's pretty easy, but you guys are having a harder time.
Good question. Thank you.
You.
over here.